Velocity Sports Performance recognizes the need for athletes involved in competitive sport to prepare their bodies for the stress of practice and competition. The risk of serious injury in youth athletics is increasing dramatically, but can be reduced by doing some simple preventative exercises. This video will demonstrate a few simple drills that can be performed at home and in a short period of time to aid in reducing injury risk. As with any exercise, proper execution is critical to success. Should you have any questions on technique or feel discomfort during training, consult a professional at your local Velocity Sports Performance Center. Throughout this video, we will use some simple equipment. A stability ball provides an unstable surface for proprioceptive work. A medicine ball or soccer ball can be used as a substitute. The elastic bands are used to seal packing crates and can be purchased online, or TheraBands can be substituted. The weighted pipe is 2-inch PVC sealed and filled with water and weighs approximately 25 pounds. The double and single leg line hop single response teaches the body coordination and balance while providing a proprioceptive stimulus to the knee. During this exercise, you want to utilize a controlled jump and maintain a soft, athletic posture with the hips and knees bending to absorb each impact. Ideally, the athlete wants to keep the knees from sliding too far in front of the toes on landing. Athletes should switch from front to back, side to side with both feet, and when comfortable and balanced, go to single leg. Multiple response hops, both single and double leg, should only be attempted once an athlete has mastered the body control needed to execute the jumps correctly. The hip lift exercise can be performed double-legged on a stability ball or single-leg on a soccer or medicine ball. For the hip lift, the feet are placed flat on the ball with the arms at the side. The athlete lifts the hips pressing through the ball, ending with a straight line position from the shoulders to the knees. The stability ball leg curl starts with both feet on the ball, the hips lifted, and then the ball curled back into the body while continuing to contract the glutes. On the soccer ball, the important point is to keep the knees lined up throughout the execution of the exercise. Any of these exercises are excellent for the development of hamstring strength. The squat exercise is the most fundamental and best exercise for development of the lower body strength and teaching good patterns of hip deceleration. The athlete begins with the bar on the shoulders, chest elevated. The initial movement is a posterior push of the hips, shifting weight to the heels of the feet. From there, the hips drop down to below parallel knee level. It is important to keep the knees in line with and behind the toes throughout the range of motion. For additional flexibility challenge, the bar can be raised overhead and kept behind the ears throughout the movement. The twisting line hop is a more aggressive and challenging jump drill. As with the regular line hop, it is important to maintain a soft knee and hip bend to absorb the landing and demonstrate balance and control. The lateral band walk focuses on the muscles that help control knee tracking. Athletes begin in a quarter squat position and keep the toes in line with the knees while moving sideways and back. It is important to maintain tension on the band at all times. The overhead inline lunge is the final exercise for this video. By utilizing the overhead position, the athlete has more flexibility in the hips. Concentrate on keeping an upright posture and not letting the front knee drift over the toe.
It doesn't matter what sport you play. It doesn't matter what position you play. It doesn't matter whether you're turning pro or just starting out. It doesn't even matter how old you are. If you want to maximize your potential, you need Velocity Sports Performance. Velocity Sports Performance. Maximize your potential. We guarantee it.